Python, fastest way to iterate over regular expressions but stop on first match. I have a function that returns true if a string matches at least one regular expression in a list and false otherwise. The function is called often enough that performance is an issue. When running it through Profile, the function is spending about 65% of its time doing matches and 35% of its time iterating over the list. I would think there would be a way to use map or something, but I can't think of a way to have it stop iterating after it finds a match. Is there a way to make the function faster while still having it return upon finding the first match?
The first thing that comes to mind is pushing the loop to the C side by using the generator expression. Probably you don't even need a separate function for that. Another thing you should try out is to build a single, composite regex using the alternation operator, so that the engine has a chance to optimize it for you. You can also create the regex dynamically from a list of string patterns, if this is necessary. Of course you need to have your regexes in string form for that to work. Just profile both of these and check which one is faster. Smile. You might also want to have a look at a general tip for debugging regular expressions in Python. This can also help to find opportunities to optimize. Update: I was curious and wrote a little benchmark. The output on my machine. So any doesn't seem to be faster than your original approach. Building up a regex dynamically also isn't really fast. But if you can manage to build up a regex up front and use it several times, this might result in better performance. You can also adapt this benchmark to test some other options. Smile.
The way to do this fastest is to combine all the regexes into one with, between them, then make one regex match call. Also, you'll want to compile it once to be sure you're avoiding repeated regex compilation. For example, this is for pats as strings, not compiled patterns. If you really only have compiled regexes, then
Adding to the excellent answers above, make sure you compare the output of re.match with none.
It's not exactly what the op asked, but this worked well for me as an alternative to long iterative matching. Here is some example data and code.
Township Farm,